Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to TechUp Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ClickUp AI, so which is well my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app on your PC, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the ClickUp apps on in this way. And now we can see there is a Ask AI option in here at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let me tap on that Ask AI, and then you can use your AI in here successfully. So to access it, you simply need to enter your questions in here. Let's say what is sick. Oh, now let's see what AI gives us answer. Now you can see here. So yeah, basically this is how you can use ClickUp AI. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay updated with our content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.